Today, we are seeing lot of advancement in all spheres of life. Is it right or wrong? It is right. It may be mostly it is technology, you can say. When science is applied, known as technology. Because otherwise science remains on paper. So when it is applied, it comes to us. And in Sanskrit, this word is known as suvidha. It is known as suvidha. So these come to us. Now, how to be happy? Is our basic question. What gives, let us start off with what gives us suffering. So we go said all those points which were there, if they are not there, we will be suffering. Now, please don't say that you are not happy, then you are suffering. But now we come down to the basic thing, that what is the prime cause of suffering or failure? Let us see, let us talk in management terms, it is called as suffering is what? Failure of good health is bad health. Failure of attaining the target is being unsuccessful. So what is the prime cause of suffering or failure? Yes. You don't okay, you are saying that journey actually means effort, right? Towards you. Expectation. Expectation is bad, or too much expectation is bad, or wrong expectation is bad? How can you decide too much, this too much, or much or less? Depend on his capabilities. That means, please come down a step lower. Why are you not being able to decide on your capabilities? Think about it. Anything else you want to add? We want to see success. Okay, we want to see that what others think of us. Okay, what others think of us. Others think us. What else?
Because of greed. Because we are greedy.
Greedy. Greed leads to, you say greed leads to failure. Too much. Agar this magarmach has come. Too much. Bad luck. Ego. Ego.
Lack of self-awareness.
Lack of self-awareness. Lack. Right? Anything else?
Dedication to events.
Attitude. Attitude. What else? Fear. Fear of failure. Anything. Okay.
Sometimes you are always pessimistic about everything.
So attitude, pessimism. Attitude. Anything else?
Lack of motivation.
Lack of motivation. The people who are motivated are never unsuccessful. It is right statement, wrong statement. Not you, your senior. Lacking clarity of goal. Lacking clarity of God. Okay? Seeing your loved one suffer. Okay? Now this is this is a very loved one suffer. Now the loved one is very smart. He is suffering, so he makes you suffer. And jealousy. Okay? Envy.
Why the others happy?
Why are the others happy? Okay? You are all coming out against with symptoms. I am asking for the cause.
Competition.
Competition. Competition is good. If you don't, how can you stand first if someone tells you, what rank did you get? First. How many students? One. So you're actually, that coming first is finished. You feel, oh, I was the only one there running the race. So actually, competition is not, it is how you look at the competition. Actually, whatever you are talking about here is how you basically understanding things. There was one thing which was said this word. Awareness actually means knowledge. The cause of all suffering, failures is lack of knowledge. It may be anything which you are. Attitude. Why wrong attitude? Because you do not have the knowledge that right attitude would lead you at this point and wrong attitude will take you towards this point. Anything here, what others think. You are not knowledgeable that life is not dependent on what others think. We want to change the world, that's why I make a statement, it's a Hindi statement, and we can translate it into English. Srishti nahi, drishti badlo. You can't change the circumstances, but you can change the way you look at the circumstances. Now you have to be taught how you change the way you look at circumstances. Now after passing from here, after 2 years, the way you look at things in the management world will drastically change. And that is what actually education is all about. When a student joins an MBBS college, before he joins the college, you give him a smear of blood which has got typhoid bacteria in it. He will not be able to see them. But after 5 years, he will be able to see them, understand that what this problem is. So what is happening is this, that your knowledge is increasing. All our problems in life are because lack of knowledge. Everything, all failures. If